How to add a checkmark in Adobe Acrobat. First, head to acrobat.adobe.com and log in. Once you are logged in, click on All Tools and select Comment to open the Comment tools. Now that you are in the Comment tools, look for the Drawing Tools option. Click on it to open the Drawing Tools, where you will find more markup options. In the Drawing Tools menu, you will see the Checkmark tool. It's a simple tick symbol. Click on it to activate the Checkmark tool. Now, just click on the area where you want to add the checkmark. It will instantly appear. If you want more, simply click in other places. Want to change the color or size of your checkmark? Just click on the checkmark and the Properties toolbar will appear. From there, you can adjust it however you like. Bonus tip. Need to add multiple checkmarks quickly? Just copy and paste your first checkmark to quickly place more in other areas. And that's how you add a checkmark in Adobe Acrobat. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.